Forests are among our most vital ecosystems. Home to 2/3 of all terrestrial species, a source of livelihood for millions, and one of our greatest defenses against climate change. However, forests are under pressure. Expanding economies and rising populations are accelerating deforestation and forest degradation. These pressures are made worse by desertification and increasing wildfires, which threaten forest ecosystems and the communities that depend on them. In response, the European Space Agency has launched the Global Development Assistance Forest Management activity, a program designed to accelerate the mainstreaming of satellite Earth observation into international forest programs. Through close collaboration with international financial institutions such as the World Bank and the Asian Development Bank, ESA GDA Forest Management supports countries in managing forests more sustainably and transparently. Governments and institutions need accurate information to design forest policies, enforce protection measures, monitor land use, and assess the impacts of climate finance. Traditional methods to gather forest data, such as field inventories, manual assessments, and aerial surveys, are often expensive, limited in scope, and quickly outdated. With global, consistent, and timely data, Earth observation provides powerful insights. For example, ESA's Sentinel-2 imagery allows users to distinguish between forest types, as well as monitor the condition of forests. The GDA Forest Management activity focuses on 4 key thematic areas where Earth observation can make a real difference. Firstly, Earth observation supports countries in implementing REDD+. Tree cover maps distinguish between forested and non-forested areas, while tree cover density maps show the proportion of canopy cover per unit area. By tracking tree cover loss over time, we can measure emissions reductions as well as monitor deforestation. These maps are often combined with disturbance alerts and biomass estimates, which together support national forest monitoring systems and transparent reporting to access climate finance. Secondly, Earth observation informs integrated forest and land use planning. Land cover classification maps show how different areas are being used, such as forest, agroforestry, plantations, or settlements, providing a clear picture of the landscape. By comparing satellite images over time, we can detect where land cover is changing. Ecosystem capability mapping then builds on this, showing where conditions are improving or degrading, and helping governments prioritize restoration, conservation, or sustainable land use. Thirdly, Earth observation enhances monitoring of ecologically sensitive areas as well as mangrove areas. Earth observation can be used to track mangrove extent, health, and change over time, supporting both restoration planning and coastal protection. It can also model ecological connectivity, revealing how habitats are linked and where wildlife corridors are under pressure. Combined with forest health indicators such as the Normalized Difference Vegetation Index, NDVI, which can be derived from missions including Copernicus, these tools enable better conservation decisions across diverse ecosystems. Finally, Earth observation supports zero deforestation supply chains, including compliance with the new EU deforestation regulation. It provides near real-time alerts on canopy disturbance and helps verify whether commodity production areas remain forest-free. These tools enable stronger oversight of agricultural expansion and promote more responsible, traceable supply chains. By bridging the gap between innovation and implementation, GDA Forest Management turns Earth observation insights into action for sustainable forest management. The initiative is funded by the European Space Agency and delivered by a consortium of European leaders in Earth observation and forest management.